Dear students, today we are going to do practical problem number 2 from the module Income from House Property. Let us read the question. From the following information, compute the income from house property for the year 2019-20. Fair rental value rupees 1,80,000, municipal value rupees 1,50,000, standard rent rupees 1,60,000. The property has let out at the rate of rupees 20,000 per month. Municipal taxes 4%, half of which is paid by the assessee and other half paid by the tenant. Unrealized rent admissible rupees 25,000. Interest on loan taken for repairing the property rupees 40,000. So for computing income from house property, you can draw a table like this. One particulars column, one inner amount column and one outer amount column. So first step is gross annual value. So we have to compute gross annual value. So write working note computation of gross annual value. For computing gross annual value, first step is we have to compare fair rental value with municipal value, whichever is higher. 1,80,000 with 1,50,000. Higher figure is 1,80,000. This figure have to compare with the standard rent, whichever is lower. So 1,60,000 is lower. Again, this figure have to compare with actual rent. Here it is stated in the question that the property has let out at the rate of rupees 20,000 per month. So annual rent is 20,000 into 12. That is rupees 2,40,000. When we compare rupees 1,60,000 with rupees 2,40,000, higher figure is 2,40,000. So that is gross annual value. So you can write gross annual value rupees 2,40,000. From that you have to deduct municipal taxes paid. In the question it is given that municipal taxes 4% of municipal value, half of which is paid by assessee and other half paid by tenant. So we can't deduct the amount paid by tenant. We can deduct only the municipal tax portion which is paid by owner of the house, that means assessee. So 4% of municipal value is rupees 6,000. So this is the total municipal tax. But owner paid only half amount of the total municipal tax. So half amount of municipal tax is 3,000. So less municipal tax paid, that means paid portion by owner, that is 3,000. So you can write 3,000. Next, in this question, unrealized rent is also given. So you have to deduct unrealized rent 25,000. So deduct rupees 3,000 and 25,000 from rupees 2,40,000 and you will be getting rupees 2,12,000, that is annual value. From annual value you have to deduct standard deduction at the rate of 30%. 30% of 2,12,000, that is 63,600. Next you have to deduct interest on loan. It is given interest on loan taken for repairing of the property is rupees 40,000. So deduct interest on loan rupees 40,000. Deduct 63,600 and 40,000 from 2,12,000. You will be getting rupees 1,08,400. That is income from house property. Okay, thank you.